Hello everyone and welcome to the Coupon Club. My name's Laura and in today's video I'm going to bring you the best CVS deals for this week starting March 22nd to March 28th. And I know a lot of people aren't going to be going outside or can't go outside, so keep in mind that a lot of the deals I'm going to be showing you are available online. So if you're a CarePass member, definitely check out all these deals online to see if the products are available. Another tip if you are planning on shopping online at CVS this week is to shop online as soon as possible. The deals start on Sunday at midnight, so ideally if you could be on there Sunday at midnight, get on there and do your deals then. This stuff could sell out really fast because people aren't leaving their house and they want to just get everything online right now. I'm actually going to be doing an online deal myself this week and I'm not a CarePass member, so if anybody is interested in seeing that, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll definitely put together a video on that for you guys. Anyways, all the deals I'm going to be showing you in this video today are going to be deals which are either going to be free, money makers, or under $1 per item. So if you guys love saving money and getting things for really cheap, be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a big like. And now without wasting any more time, let's get into these deals. We're going to start off our deals with the promotion that also came around last week, and that's on these Schick Disposable Razors, which are on our promotion for buy 3 and get a $5 extra buck. Now these razors are also on sale for $6.99 each, and I pictured a few here of the different options which you can get. So you're going to pick up 3 of these and your subtotal will be $20.97, but there's a $4 off digital available in the CVS app and a $4 off printable coupon from coupons.com. So go ahead and print this coupon twice because you're going to want to use 2 of them. Now hopefully you have a $5 off of 20 razor CRT. If you do, go ahead and throw that into the mix and that will bring your subtotal out of pocket to just $3.97, but you'll be getting back a $5 extra buck, making this free plus a $1 moneymaker. If you don't have that 5 off 20 razor CRT, this is still going to be a great deal for you. You're just going to have to pay a little bit more. As you can see here, your subtotal will be $8.97, but you'll still get back that $5 extra buck, making your final cost $3.97 or $1.32 each. Another promotion that's going on with the razors this week is on the Schick Hydro Silk 3s. And these are on promotion for when you buy 2, you get a $10 extra buck. So at my store, these are priced at $8.99 each. So if you buy 2 of them, that'll bring your subtotal to just $17.98. There's also a $4 off digital for this in the CVS app and a $4 internet printable coupon at coupons.com. So use both of these with your transaction and that'll bring your total out of pocket to $9.98, but you'll be getting back that $10 extra buck, making the final cost for both of these razors completely free. And if you have a $3 off of 12 CRT, go ahead and use that, and that'll make your final cost for both of these razors free plus a $3 moneymaker. This next deal is a really easy deal which anybody can do, and that's on the Extra or Eclipse Gum. These are on sale for 99 cents each, and when you buy 1, you get a 99-cent extra buck right back, making the final cost for these completely free. But keep in mind, this is a limit of 1, so you can only do this deal 1 time. Maybelline Cosmetics are on an amazing promotion this week for buy 3 and get a $10 extra buck. So if you pick up 3 of the Maybelline eyeshadows priced at $3.89, that'll bring your subtotal to $11.68. But there's a $1 off Maybelline eye product digital coupon in the CVS app and a $1 off internet printable coupon, which unfortunately is no longer available. So if you are missing either this internet printable coupon or this digital, this same coupon is also available in the Smart Source from March 1st, so you can supplement one of those coupons with this insert coupon if you need to. Anyways, with both of these coupons, that'll bring your out-of-pocket to just $9.67, but we're getting back a $10 extra buck, making the cost for these 3 eyeshadows completely free and a little bit of a moneymaker. Now for anybody who still has that $3 Maybelline CRT which printed for everybody last week at the Redbox machine, this is a great deal which you can do where you can pick up 2 Maybelline eyeshadows and 1 mascara for free and a moneymaker. So what you're going to want to do is pick up 2 of the eyeshadows priced at $3.89 each and 1 mascara priced at $6.99. The total for all these products will be $14.77. But there's $7 in coupons which you can use towards this transaction, and those are the $1 Maybelline eyeshadow digital, the $1 Maybelline eyeshadow internet printable coupon, and remember, like I said, if you don't have one of these, there's also one available in the Smart Source. There's also a $1 off mascara digital, and a $1 off Maybelline mascara app-only coupon. And of course, that $3 Maybelline CRT which printed for everybody last week. With all of these coupons, that will bring your subtotal out of pocket to $7.77, but you'll be getting back a $10 extra buck, making the cost for all of these products free and a $2.23 moneymaker. This next deal is a deal that comes around all the time, and that's on the L'Oreal Elvive. So these are on sale, 2 for $8, and when you buy 2, you get a $4 extra buck. So go ahead and pick up 2 of these for $8, and now you're also going to want to use a $3 off of 2 digital or internet printable coupon from coupons.com. With this coupon, that'll bring your out-of-pocket subtotal to $5, but you'll be getting back a $4 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $1 or 50 cents each. Now this week we also have a deal on some Eucerin lotion. There's spend $20 and get a $10 extra buck. So for this deal, what you can do is pick up 1 skin calming lotion priced at $9.79 and 1 daily hydration lotion priced at $10.79. For both of these products, that'll bring your total to $20.78. But go ahead and use a $2 off of 8 Eucerin CRT and 2 $3.50 off internet printable coupons available at eucerinus.com. After coupons, this will bring your total out of pocket to $11.78, but you'll be getting back a $10 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $1.78 or 89 cents each. And these are big things of lotion, guys, so this is a wonderful deal. And suppose you don't have a $2 off of 8 CRT, you have a $3 off of 10 CRT. This is what your breakdown will look like, and it's still a great deal. You just save a little bit more money. So your final cost will be 78 cents, making them just 39 cents each. Now suppose you have both of those coupons, meaning the $2 off of 8 CRT and the $3 off of 10 CRT. You can go ahead and use both of these coupons because the value for both of these coupons is $18, 2 off of 8 and 3 off of 10, meaning that you need to spend at least $18 worth in order to be able to use both of these coupons, and we're spending $20.78, meaning that we can use both of these coupons. So if you have both of these coupons, this is definitely a deal you should be doing. So with both of these CRTs and those printable coupons, your total out of pocket will be $8.78, but you'll be getting back a $10 extra buck reward, making the final cost for both of these Eucerin lotions free and a $1.22 moneymaker. Now a great oral care deal going on this week is on the Listerine, and these are on promo for spend $10 and get a $5 extra buck. So a great deal which you can do as long as you have the right CRTs is to pick up 2 of the Listerine Mouthwashes, 16.9 ounces. These are priced at $5.59 each. So for 2 of them, that'll bring your total to $11.18. Now you can use a $3 Listerine Mouthwash CRT, a $2 off of 6 Mouthwash CRT. There's also a $1 Listerine Digital, and there was a $1 Listerine Internet Printable coupon from coupons.com, which is no longer available. So if you have all these coupons, that'll bring your total out of pocket to $4.18, but you'll get back that $5 extra buck, making your final cost free and an 82-cent moneymaker for both of these Listerine mouthwashes. If you're missing that $3 off of Listerine Mouthwash CRT, this is still a great deal which you can do. Even without that CRT, your total out of pocket will be $7.18, but you'll be getting back that $5 extra buck, making your final cost $2.18 or just $1.09 each. Our final deal this week is going to be on the Cirno mini treats. These are priced at $5.79, and they're on a promotion for buy 2 and get a $5 extra buck. So go ahead and pick up 2 of these for $11.58, and there's a $5 off of 2 insert coupon in the Smart Source from March 1st. With this insert coupon, that'll bring your total out of pocket to $6.58, but you'll get back a $5 extra buck reward, making your final cost just $1.58 or 79 cents each. And suppose you even have a $3 off of 2 Cirno CRT, go ahead and throw that in with this deal, and that'll bring your out-of-pocket to $3.38, and you'll get back a $5 extra buck, making the final cost for both of these Cirno mini treats free and a $1.42 moneymaker. Alright, those are all the CVS best deals I have to share with you guys this week. And remember, I am going to be doing an online deal this week, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely let me know in the comment section down below. I actually am going to be picking up some items outside of these deals that I shared with you just now. But I'm not gonna lie, I kind of want to go out to the store and do these deals. So I'm trying to think of a time maybe I can go where not a lot of people will be there. I don't know. I'm trying to work it out, see if I'm gonna do it. I'm not 100% sure yet. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and give me a like down below. And I will see you guys in the next one.